Do-it-yourself home decor never goes out of style, and I love to take interesting fabrics and make unique and fun table settings. So today I'm going to take an old piece of leather and turn it into woven placemats. It's so easy and it's no-sew. So let's get started. DIY by Jane, brought to you by KaiScissors.com for sharp, smooth, fatigue-free cutting. You'll need a piece of upholstery leather, a Kai Rotary cutter, available at KaiScissors.com, a straight edge ruler, and fabric glue. Using my Kai Rotary cutter and a straight edge, I'm going to measure out 8 17 by 1.5 inch strips of leather and 9 13 by 1.5 inch strips of leather. The Kai Rotary cutter makes it easy to glide along the straight edge. Applying ample pressure on the leather, you'll see it makes a clean cut. Once I have my leather strips cut, I'll weave them together. Lay them on a grid and laying one over the top, one under, one over, and so on, gluing them down as you go. There you have it, leather placemats. These are sturdy, durable, and can be put on your table for everyday use. Plus, using my Kai Rotary cutter made this DIY project super easy.